So I think it's once again, it starts with them because you need to understand them, what they want to achieve. Most of the cases, management wants to increase sales, save cost, reduce call support calls. So each stakeholder has different business goals, most of the cases. So for example, if somebody is responsible for adoption, then you know that, okay, how I can tell to that person that this design is increasing in adoption. And when you know that, okay, he's focusing on adoption, and when you with the usability testing, and most of the cases, I mean, it was I have experience how to communicate the value. So the best way was to show and tell. So you bring them to the usability testing and then show them how the people are actually using the product. And what it gives them is really that they see a real human. So they understand like, okay, like we might not know everything. And on the other hand, it allows them to understand like, okay, this is really something useful. We can really save here a lot, and we can leverage that, and we can communicate with other parties like, no, we need to test everything what is possible. So just first understand them, what is their goal, and then invite them into related usability testing or something which is real, like they need to see it, they need to experience it. Because what we saw is that you can bring any kind of data from the internet and you present it that 60% of the people are using usability testing, they will somehow not believe it or not react on it. But when they see it really that, okay, this is what is happening, then they kind of more open. I think it's once again related to psychology that we value the realistic experience more than just some facts around it. And what other tip, what I usually always give to when we have a lot of new designers around, and I always tell that if they want to convince somebody, they need to use a real story, like a one-person story, because somehow, this is once again psychology, it has more value than compared to some kind of statistics. If you tell that one story about one person who experienced the product in a certain way.